kids.
Dad, you're gonna stop the change. Mommy, Dad wants to stop the change. That's what stop the change. You're gonna stop it. Don't press it. Why do we stop the
Jared, do you like what you're seeing? You like it? JD.
Stop, you're gonna stop the train.
It won't stop.
Mommy.
It won't stop it.
Huh?
It won't stop it.
What would happen?
It's
It
not
won't-
gonna stop it.
doesn't
It's
do
not gonna
anything
stop
to
it,
it.
Sky.
They say that when the train stops, that if you push those, it'll start it back.
Oh,
That's
okay.
it.
So it's not. He's not bothering it,
I
Sky.
think they kind of disconnected them because kids were always doing it.
I guess Jared ain't the only little Thomas guy around.
Stop. Dad,
You said what, honey? Where did BJ go? Oh.
Mommy, how did you stop this?
Huh? You can't stop it, honey.
How?
You're not gonna stop it. Do you like that train?
Mommy, let me show you something.
What did you say?
BJ, why you so far? Jared, JD, you like that? That's pretty cool, huh?